waking up at dawn again. Sunrise paints the sky so red. Boots are heavy, head is light. Gonna work until the night. Factory floor is loud and coarse. Grease and grime, a second home. Steel machines, they never tire. Human spirit keeps the fire. Toil hands to make it through. Every day the same old view. Sweat and strain, but heart is true. Toiling hands, I got you. Dreams of freedom in the air. One day we'll escape this lair. Till that day we shoulder on, with a straight from dusk to dawn. Lunchtime breaks, a moment's rest. Chat and laugh, forget the stress. Back to work, the time is short. Hardship is our last resort. Toil hands to make it through. Every day the same old view. Sweat and strain, but heart is true. Toiling hands, I got you. Lunchtime breaks, a moment's rest. Chat and laugh, forget the stress. Back to work, the time is short. Hardship is our last resort. Toil hands to make it through. Every day the same old view. Sweat and strain, but heart is true. Toiling hands, I got you.
Please like and subscribe for more technology videos.
Workers all in the morning light. Hands so dirty but eyes so bright. Steel and sweat from dawn to dusk. Written grind, you got that trust. Every day the same old beat. In the factory where lives meet. Clocking in, he knows the score. Dreams of something bigger, more. Worker song, don't you cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Through the struggles, through the pain, in your heart you rise again. Machines, they hum a lullaby as the hours just slip on by. But in his soul there's a fire burning struggles, through the pain. In your heart you rise again. Machines, they hum a lullaby as the hours just slip on by. But it is so, there's a fire, burning dreams that won't retire. He dreams of Sundays and soft summer skies, of laughter and love where his spirit flies. Hold on tight, just one more day. Workers, all find your way. Workers, all find your way. Workers, all, don't you cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Through the struggles, through the pain, in your heart you rise again.
Waking up at dawn again. Sunrise paints the sky so red. Boots are heavy, head is light. Gonna work until the night. Factory floor is loud and coarse. Grease and grime, a second home. Steel machines, they never tire. Human spirit keeps the fire.